My name is Diya, and I'm going to be presenting my CS50 Python project. This project is all about a framework which can be used for conducting any quiz program. It could be a quiz for a school teacher to have this for a particular subject, or it could be something related to a fun quiz in a birthday party, or an evening quiz in a pub. Hence, it's called a common framework. I have used a CSV file to store quiz questions and answers. I also have a config INI in that I can set up the test duration, so each test can have a different duration. So here I've set it for 1, which means 60 seconds. And I also have an output file where the candidate's name, date, and their score can be recorded. So here I'm going to show my project file, which is called project.py. So I have a main function as well as multiple other functions. So if we start from the bottom, I have an onboarding function to get the user's details. And then I have a start time, which will record the start time and the duration in which it takes to do the quiz. And I have a start quiz, which allows the user to ask them if they want to start the quiz or not. I also have, this is the quiz questions, which takes the quiz questions in a random order, 5 different quiz questions from a choice of 15 in a project.csv file. And it will say if it's correct, and it will give you 3 points, or incorrect, and it will minus 1 point. And after each question, it will display the current score. And finally, I have my main function in which I'm calling all of my other custom functions and displaying the total score at the end. I also have a test file which tests the input which the user inputs, making sure it's the correct value. And I've tested lots of possible possibilities, so no errors will occur. And finally, I would like to run my quiz. So first we have to enter our name and say if we want to take the quiz or not. And we have to answer the questions. At the end, it will show you how many points you have got, and it will store this information in a userinfo.csv file. So your name, the date, the time that you took it, the score, and the time it took for you to complete your quiz. Thank you.